نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 13. In this lesson, we will learn pronouns with prepositions. In Arabic, الضمائر مع الحروف الجار. The ضمائر can have or can come for more than one pronoun. يعني it can have more meanings. The one Arabic pronoun can have more English pronouns. It depends on the context. For example, the ضمير يا can have the meaning of my, mine, and me. The ضمير كاف can have meaning of your and you. And who can have the meaning of his, him, and it. And ha can have the meaning of her and it. And whom comes for their and them. Kum comes for your and you. It depends on the context. For example, baiti, my house. We cannot say mine house or me house. So baiti, my house. So you look at the context, then you can translate accordingly. And also the hurufun jar can have more than one meaning as well. For example, fi can have the meaning of in or regarding. Ala can have the meaning on, upon, above. And min, the meaning is from. Ila can come for to, up to, towards. Also depends on the context. Whenever you see the hurufun jar, fi, ala, min, ila, look at the context, then try to translate it accordingly. So let's see the prepositions and pronouns together. In English, they are separate. When you write them, they come separate. But in Arabic, they get together. They are connected. So the word fiya, meaning in me. So the word fi is in, the ya comes for me. So fiya, in me. Fika, in you. Fi, in, ka, you. So fika, in you. Fiki, in you. Form feminine, female. Fika, in you. Fihi, in him or in it. Fihi. Fiha, in her or in it. Fihim, in them, comes for masculine. And fikum, in you, and they're also for masculine only. So fikum, fi, in, kum, you. So let's see the ala with pronouns. Alayya, on me. Ala, on, ya, me. Alayya, on me. Alayka, on you. Alayka, on you. Alayki, on you. Feminine, because the zamir kaf has kasra, so it comes for feminine. Alayki, on you. Alayhi, on him or on it. Alayha, on her or on it. So alayhim, on them, comes for masculine plural, more than two. Alayhim, on them. alaykum, on you. Same thing comes for masculine and plural. Alaykum, alay, on, kum, you. For example, assalamu alaykum, or we say alayhi salatu wassalam, on him. So alayhi, on him. So let's see the preposition min with pronouns. Min, ni, minni, from me. Min, from, the ya comes for me. Minni, from me. Minka, from you. Minka, from you. Minki, from you, feminine. Minki, from you, feminine. Minhu, from him or from it. Minhu, from him or from it. Minha, from her or from it. Minhum, from them, masculine, plural. Minhum, min, from, whom, them. Minkum, min, from, kum, you. So minkum, from you. Also, it is masculine and plural. So let's see now the preposition ila with pronouns. It will be ilayya. Ila, to, the ya, me. Ilayya, to me. Ilayka, to you. Ilayka, to you. Ilayki, to you, feminine. Ilayki, to you. Ilayhi, to him or to it. Ilayhi, to him or to it. Ilayha, to her or to it. Ilayhim, ilayhim, to them, masculine, plural. Ilayhim. And ilaykum, ila is to, kum, you. When they are together, it will be ilaykum, to you, masculine, plural. And the use of prepositions and pronouns in the Quran. The use of fi with pronouns in the Quran. La rayba fihi, there's no doubt in it. Fihi, in it. Hum fiha khalidun, they will live in it forever. Fiha, in it. Walakum fiha manafi'u, and for you in it there are benefits. So fiha, in it. Rabbana wab'ath fihim rasula, our Lord, and send among them a messenger. Fihim, among them. Anna fikum du'fan, indeed among you is weakness. Fikum, among you. The use of ala with pronouns in the Quran. فَلَا جُنَاهَ عَلَيْهِ, there is no blame upon him. عليه, upon him. يَذْكُرُونَ اسْمَ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهَا, they mention the name of Allah on it. عليها, on it. لَيْسَ عَلَيْكَ هُدَاهُمْ, not upon you is their guidance. عليك, upon you. هُدَاهُمْ, their guidance. أَنْعَمْتَ عَلَيْهِمْ, you have bestowed favor upon them. عليهم, upon them. فَضْلُ اللَّهِ عَلَيْكُمْ وَرَحْمَتُهُ, the favor of Allah upon you and His mercy. عليكم, upon you. The use of min with pronouns in the Quran. فَمَنْ شَرِبَ مِنْهُ, so whoever drinks from it. minhu, from it. فَلَيْسَ مِنِّي, he is not of me, or he is not from me. وَلَا يُؤْخَذُ مِنْهَا, and will not be taken from it. Minha, from it. مَنْ آمَنَ مِنْهُمْ بِاللَّهِ, whoever believes of them in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or whoever of them believes in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Minhum, of them. The use of ila with pronouns in the Quran. ثُمَّ إِلَيْهِ تُرْجَعُونَ, then to him you will return. إِلَيْهِ, to him. ثُمَّ إِلَى مَرْجِعُكُمْ, then to me is your return. إِلَيَّ, to me. وَلَقَدْ أَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ, and we have certainly revealed to you. إِلَيْكَ, to you. وَمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكُمْ, and what has been revealed to you. إِلَيْكُمْ, to you. In the Quran, you will find them in every page. So inshallah, try to memorize them, try to learn them. So inshallah, it will make it very easy for you to understand Quran. So try to understand these pronouns and prepositions. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.